Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and making sure you are signed into the Google account you use for navigation. Once signed in, tap the Saved tab or your profile to access labeled places. Make sure location permissions, Wi-Fi, and GPS are enabled so Google can place your home precisely. You're doing this now to avoid later misalignment. Having the right account and device settings prevents duplicates and saves time as you proceed. Once you locate the labeled or home entry, tap it to open the place card. If home already exists, choose Edit. If not, tap Add a label and select Save as Home. Enter the precise address, then drag the map pin to match the driveway or building entrance for accuracy. Make sure to tap Save when the pin sits exactly where you want it. You're doing both because typed addresses can be generic. Fine-tuning the pin ensures navigation routes and arrival estimates are correct. After saving, confirm home appears under Saved labeled and run a quick directions test to ensure it routes correctly. If the label didn't save or the pin resets, clear the Maps app cache, sign out and back in, and update the app. Once done, make sure only the intended Google account is active on the device. Multiple accounts can cause confusion. If you still see issues, toggle device location services and sync settings. Then retry saving the home label to complete the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.